Hello everyone. Today we are going to do 1 mark questions of the chapter Lines and Angles of class 9th. So we will discuss a few questions related to lines and angles. Question number 1. The measure of an angle which is supplement of itself so here he is asking the angle which is supplement of itself. So you must know what are supplementary angles. Those angles whose sum is 180 degrees. So here how we will proceed with this, let angle is equal to x degree. So according to question, an angle is its own supplement, so x degree plus x degree will be equal to 180 degree. So at 2x degree will be equal to 180 degree, and from here x degree will be equal to 180 degree divided by 2, and which is equal to 90 degree. So the required angle which is supplement of itself is 90 degree, right? Second question is find x. Now here one figure is given, this and this way. These are two rays, and there is this angle 40 degree, this angle 4x, this angle 3x. Here we can name these angles as 1, 2 and 3. So we will write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, it is equal to 180 degree. The reason is straight angle. These three angles are formed on the same line, so it is a straight angle. Now angle 1 is of 40 degree. 40 degree का angle 1 है. 2 angle is 4x plus angle 3 is how much? 3x. It is equal to 180 degree. 4x plus 3x is 7x, and 7x is equal to 180 degree. जो plus 40 है इस साइड आएगा minus 40 degree, and it will be equal to 140 degree. So what will be x? It will be 140 degree divided by 7, that is equal to 20 degree. So the value of x will be equal to 20 degree. Now we will do question number 3 of lines and angles. Here again one figure is given, and in this figure the angles which are drawn, this is one ray, another ray, then some another ray is also drawn to the bottom side. Here is written C, D, here is A point, here is B point, and this is E point. Now the angles which are written, here is written 90 degree, here is written x degree, here is written y degree, here is written 72 degree, this is 3x degree, this is O point. Now we need to find x and y. So you can see here 1, 2, 3. Here you can write 4 angle, 5 angle. So angle 4 plus angle 5 in this figure, angle 4 plus angle 5, what are they forming? 180 degree, and it is a linear pair, right? So this angle 4 is 3x degree. So 3x I have written plus 72 degree is equal to 180 degree. From here 3x will be equal to 180 degree minus 72 degree. So 3x is equal to 10 minus 2 is 8, and this is 7 minus 7 is 0 and 1, 108 degree. So x will be equal to 108 degree upon 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 3 6 are 18. So this I have got 36 degree. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. It is equal to 180 degree. And the reason is straight angle. Straight angle. So angle 1 is x degree. So x plus 2 is 90 degree. And 3 is y is equal to 180 degree. X you have got right now 36. So 36 degree plus 90 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. So 36 plus 90, it is 126 degree plus y, it is equal to 180 degree. So how we will find y? It is 180 degree minus 126 degree. 10 minus 6 is 4, 7 minus 2 is 5, 54 degree. So we have found the values of x and y. If angles 2x minus 10 degree and x minus 5 degree are complementary angles, find x. You know that complementary angles are those angles whose sum is 90 degree. So 2x minus 10 plus x minus 5, we will add these angles and equate to 90 degree. So 2x plus x is 3x, minus 10 minus 5 is minus 15 is equal to 90 degree. Now 3x will be equal to 90 degree, minus 15 degree will be shifted to the right, it will be plus 15 degree, it is 105 degree. So x will be equal to 105 degree divided by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So x is equal to 35 degree. Now similarly other questions are there. Question number 5. An angle is 14 degree more than its complementary angle. An angle is 14 degree more than its complementary angle. Then it is written, find its measure. Find its means angles measure. So solution, let angle, that angle which we are to find, that is equal to x degree, its complement, इस एंगल का कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा 90 डिग्री माइनस एक्स, क्योंकि जो दो एंगल जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होते हैं उनका सम 90 होता है. अगर आपने एक एंगल जो है वो x डिग्री एज्यूम कर लिया तो दूसरा जो है वो 90 डिग्री माइनस x होगा. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, an angle is 14 degree more than its complementary angle. So angle this, it is, and this is its complementary. Now what is told? An angle is 14 degree more than its complementary, means this is already 14 degree more. So equate them, you are to add 14 on the other side. I repeat again, this angle is already 14 degree more than its complementary angle. तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री की तरफ आपने 14 को ऐड करना है, 14 डिग्री को. अब x और ये माइनस एक्स लेफ्ट में शिफ्ट करेंगे, प्लस x. 90 प्लस 14, 90 डिग्री प्लस 14 डिग्री यही रहेगा, राइट. सभी पे डिग्री लगा लो. 2x डिग्री विल बी इक्वल टू, दिस इज 104 डिग्री. सो x डिग्री विल बी इक्वल टू 104 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाई 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So the angle is 52 degree, right? So more questions of this type of complementary and supplementary can be done in the same way. Let's take another question, 6 number question. Two supplementary angles differ by 48 degree. Find these angles. So how we will proceed? Let angle is equal to x degree. So if angle is x degree, its supplement will be what? Its supplementary angle will be what? 180 degree minus x. Now according to question, two supplementary angles differ by 48 degree. Means one angle minus other angle, they differ by 48 degree. So x degree is one angle and the another angle is 180 degree minus x. So which will be the bigger angle? Suppose x is 40. So 180 minus 40 will be 140. So 180 degree minus x will be bigger. So 180 degree minus x में से आपने क्या माइनस करना है? Minus x degree. And they differ by 48 degree. Now 180 degree minus 2x degree is equal to 48 degree. So minus 2x degree will be equal to 48 degree minus 180 degree. So minus 2x degree will be equal to minus, from 180 you will subtract 48. 10 minus 8 2, 7 minus 4 3, and this is 1. Minus 132 degree. So minus minus is cut. X degree will be equal to 132 degree divided by 2. 2 6 are 12, 1 2 6 are 12, 66 degree, right? So answer will be, both the angles were differing by this, so answer will be one angle as 60 degree, 66 degree, other supplementary angle, supplementary angle, you can write supplementary angle. What will be it? 180 degree minus 66 degree. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 7 minus 6 is 1, and this 114 degree. Question number 7. Here is A point, here is B point, and here is C point. This angle is 3x degree and this angle is 2y plus 5 degree. What do we need to find here from this figure? If x is equal to 25 degree, then find y. So this angle you can name 1, this angle you can name 2. So angle 2 is equal to how much degree? 3x degree. So 3 into 25 degree, that will be equal to 75 degree. Now angle 1 and 2 are forming a linear pair. 1 plus 2 is equal to 180 degree. This is a linear pair. Angle 1 is what? 2y plus 5. 2y degree plus 5 degree plus 2 angle is 75 degree. It is equal to 180 degree. So 2y degree, 75 plus 5 is 80 degree, is equal to 180 degree. So from here 2y degree is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. So what will be that? 100 degree. Now y degree will be equal to 100 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाई 2 कितना आएगा? 100 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाई 2 50 डिग्री. So here the value of angle y is 50 degree.